How to create a wish list. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create a wish list. In order to create a wish list, you need to log in into your account on a retailer site like Amazon and navigate to your account and list as well. So what you need to do is, since we're doing for the Flipkart, open the Flipkart app on your device, after which you need to go ahead and look for the particular item that you wish to add it to your wish list. Now let's see, this is the particular product I'd like to add it. So the simple step is just click on this heart icon at the top of the page, and then the product has been added to your wish list. Now there is no such necessary that you have to create or some sort of, you have to create a folder in order to create a wish list. Not such thing. You just go ahead and add in a product. Just tap on the heart icon at the top right hand side corner of your screen, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and add it to your wish list on your Flipkart account. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.